Good morning, children. Take care of Earth as she takes care of us. Yes, children. You remember the story I told you about the lonely giraffe, Greg and Krish? Yes, how Greg was looking for water and then all of a sudden he came at Krish's window and he started knocking the window and he cried and said he's very thirsty and he wants water, and then Krish gave him water to drink. Yes, children. Why there was no water around Greg's house? Because people are cutting down trees and it was getting dry, so there wasn't enough water for animals to drink or survive. So, children, it says that we should always take care of our environment and our nature, because the nature is giving us so much, and in return, if we keep cutting the trees and if we keep burning the forest, then at the end of the day there won't be anything. Animals will die, birds will die, even we will suffer a lot. So what does tree do give us? Tree gives us oxygen. Yes, and if there are no plenty trees, we will not have oxygen to breathe. It would be very difficult for us, right? So always take care of your environment, children. Today we'll do the other activities of the lesson, so let's start. Now on the page number 60, look at the picture. Are these things helpful or harmful for our environment? Draw them in the correct corner. Now let's see sports car. So is sports car harmful or helpful? Tell me that. It is harmful because there is a lot of pollution which comes out from the car. Then we have bicycle. Bicycle is helpful because there isn't any pollution. Then jute box. Jute box is very helpful, children. We are recycling things, so when we recycle something, it is very helpful. Plastic bag. Plastic bag is harmful for us and for animals. Shower. Yes, so don't waste water, okay? So try avoiding shower, children. That is harmful for us because we are wasting water. Instead of that, use bucket to have bath. Open door. We should open the doors and let the fresh air in come inside. That is helpful for us. Closed doors are harmful because if we keep the doors closed, we will not get ample sunshine and we will not get ample fresh air. Recycle. Try using recycled things, children. Trash. Trash is helpful, so you should always put everything in your trash box. Off. So if you are not using your light or fan, make sure you off it. On. If you keep it on, then you are using electricity, which is not good. Okay. So make these in the columns that you have. Okay, children. Now we'll do words to know. Toss means throw. Moan, a low sound expressing pain. Panting, breathless or out of breath. Lapped, to lick up as liquid. Ledge, shelf. Dismay, disappointment. Leaping, jumping. Habitant, the place where a plant or animal naturally lives. Murmured, to speak quietly. Hesitant, doubtful and unable to say. Now be mindful, children. Let's notice and appreciate the wonderful sounds around us. Sit down in a comfortable place. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and hold it for 3 seconds and then breathe out. Close your eyes and feel your breath. Sit still and try to listen to each and every sound around you very carefully. Can you identify all the sounds that you hear? Maybe you can hear a car outside, or plane flying up, or a clock ticking, or a door cracking. Yes, children. So when you sit down and hear the voice, see how good you will feel. When everything is calm and quiet, you can listen to these voices. Now let's do question and answers. Why do you think Greg came to Krish's house? Greg was looking out for water and by chance he came to Krish's house. Why was Greg crying while telling his story? Greg was crying while telling his story because he was saying there is no water and there is no plants left for them to survive. What did Krish do to make Greg feel better? Krish offered him some water and heard his story. What happened to Greg home in the jungle? So Greg's home was the tree was cut down by human beings. So Greg has lost his home. Do you think Krish's idea was nice? Yes. So Krish promised that on his birthday he is going to plant 5 trees, and that will help him, and he would keep watering the trees. So it was a nice idea. We should also plant trees, children, whenever you have option. Okay. Now let's see who said to whom. I am lost. Who said these lines? Greg said these lines. They might have cut the trees. So Greg's parents said that to Greg and Krish's father, that they might have cut down the trees. That's an amazing idea, son. Who said this? Krish's father said this when Krish said that I am going to plant 5 trees every year on my birthday. There it is, my house. So Greg told Krish that here, see my house. List 5 more ways you can show how you can take care of environment. Now you need to think about it and write it down, children, how you are going to take care of the environment. Fill in the blanks. Greg felt dismay when he couldn't see the big tree. Greg wept while he told his story to Krish. Krish was disappointed on knowing how humans are cutting down trees. Greg and his family would have to relocate to a greener place. Then we have deforestation is the reason why Greg and other animals don't have food to eat. So if we cut down trees, then we don't have, then animals, what animals will eat? No leaves would be there. So it is going to harm our animals, and we will kill our animals indirectly. Okay. Now Tony and Tutu. Why are you cutting this tree? Oh, this one is waste. It doesn't give any fruit, just leaves. What if the leaves gave out a Wi-Fi signal? If I will surround my house with the trees then. So sad. They just give us oxygen. So now the monkey is cutting the tree. So the bird is saying, why are you cutting the trees? The monkey is saying it does not give us fruit, it is just giving us tree. So no use, this is a bad tree, let us cut the tree. So now the bird is saying, but it is giving us oxygen, so you are alive because of the tree, right? So we should not cut down trees, children. Now we'll do match the columns of the similar word. Asleep means drowsing, curious, interested, worried, concerned, wide, broad, surprised, startled. Now value for life. Little seed that you sow, little plants that will be after they grow, little soil of their food, little water it will be good, little love and care, little flower soon they will share. See, what does it mean? It is saying that we should, the seeds that we sow, that means जो हम बीज पेड़ में ज़मीन में लगाते हैं, चिल्ड्रन उनको वाटर देते हैं, तो बीज से क्या होता है, एक छोटा सा पेड़ बनता है, पेड़ को खाना मिलता है सॉइल से, फिर वो कन्वर्ट होता है, उसको हम प्यार से देखभाल करते हैं तो फिर वो फ्लावर्स देता है. दैट इज़ हाउ द प्लांट ग्रोज. सो आस्क योर पेरेंट टू ब्रिंग अ प्लांट सैपलिंग फॉर यू, plant it in a pot or in a ground where you can take care of it. Read about the plant and learn how much water, sunshine and fertilizer is required. So take care of the plant. So you can ask your parents to get your small plant and see what is that plant, वो कितना बड़ा हो जाएगा और कितना सुंदर लगेगा. Now be wise. If you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. If you plant a tree, you plant a life. Can you imagine a word without tree? How would it be? Write a few lines about the word without tree. So now change the word tree from something else and then write it down. So now we have a very nice activity, children. So this is known as the bird feeder. Okay, for we need a pine cone, peanut butter, bird seeds, paper plate and ribbon. And it says that tie a ribbon to the top of the pine cone for hanging. Use the plastic knife or spoon and submerge peanut butter all around it. Now place the bird seed on the paper plate and roll the pine corner. Cover the peanut butter in the bird seed. These seeds should stick to the peanut butter well. Choose a spot outdoor and hang it for bird to feed. Yes children, आप ऐसा कर सकते हो. आपने देख रखा है पाइन कॉर्न, उसके चारों ओर पीनट बटर लगा दो और फिर बर्ड्स जो सीड्स खाती है ना वो चिपका के उसको कहीं बांध दो रिबन से. देखो फिर बर्ड्स कैसे वो सीड्स आके खाएंगी. दे कैन फीड ऑन दिस थिंग. ओके चिल्ड्रन, so this was the story all about the lonely giraffe and taking care of environment. Hope you like the story and you are also going to take care of the environment. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.